Are you a plus-size traveler wanting to know if you can go to Arendelle? Let's go check out Frozen Ever After. We have received our invitation from the Queens, and I am going to take you on a full walkthrough of Frozen Ever After at EPCOT.
Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, I know you do. Elsa's made a magic winter show with summer snow for spending me and you. Oh, we're going to Elsa's ice palace. You and you and you, all of you. See you there.
Frozen Ever After is a slow boat ride up through the story of Frozen.
On a day very much like today, on our sailor system, an unselfish act of true love and full of frozen heart.
The ride is located in the Norway Pavilion of EPCOT. It is in the home of the old Maelstrom ride. Some of the props you see here in Frozen are actually still from that ride, including these boats. As long as you can step into the boat, you will be absolutely fine riding it, as they are long bench seats.
Welcome to Elsa's Ice Palace. We get to share this frozen fun for the first time in forever. Elsa's defying everyone. Would you say it were a lady or gas? Let's just call it
into this ride. Now we are about to do a single drop on the ride, and we had a small one on the way coming backwards, but this will cause a small splash, but is nothing to be worried about. In summer! Our trip to Arendelle may have ended, but if you'd like some more magical trips, make sure to follow and check out this playlist.